Planning a trip can be chaotic. Flights here, hotels there, activities in countless tabs. But what if all that could be done in minutes with an assistant doing it for you? Imagine a travel co-pilot that never sleeps, showing real flights, hotels, unique experiences, and even rental cars all in one place with live prices. In this video, I'll show you how to plan and book a full trip quickly, visually, and fun, as if with a trusted friend, and reveal the smart tool that makes it possible. And this tool is Layla.ai. We'll simply open their website, link in description, and start a conversation. We can chat in Spanish or 15 other languages, and Layla understands our preferred language easily. It's as simple as sending a chat message. For example, I want a 7-day trip through southern Spain with beaches and historic cities. In seconds, the AI will grasp our preferences and start generating ideas. It's like chatting with a travel-savvy friend. No complex forms or navigating through multiple tabs. With one natural conversation, Layla gets to work. Layla will instantly inspire you with tailored recommendations. After understanding your request, she'll propose a dynamic itinerary. We could suggest visiting Malaga, Seville, and Cadiz with cultural tours, beach time, and historic sites in each place. Each day includes details on sites, dining, experiences, and optimized transportation between locations. You'll see Layla smartly arranges visits to save time and avoid unnecessary travel. It also shows visual content of destinations, photos, or short videos to capture each place's atmosphere. Say goodbye to hours of blog searches. Here, inspiration comes instantly in a visually engaging way. Let's say we're not happy with part of the plan. No problem. We can adjust everything on the fly by simply asking in the chat. For example, add a day in Granada after Seville. And there, after Seville, it's added a day in Granada. We could also ask to remove the museum visit and add some nature activities instead. Instantly, Layla recalculates and modifies the itinerary, rearranging activities and routes in real time. This flexibility is golden. AI adjusts schedules and transport, giving you an updated plan without lifting a finger. In other words, you get a truly personalized itinerary that adapts to you, even if you change your mind mid-planning. Plus, Layla not only tells you what to do at each destination, but helps you get there too. From the chat, just ask her to search for flights. For instance, let's ask her to find cheap flights from Madrid to New York in March. In seconds, Layla will check systems like Skyscanner and show you a list of flight options with current prices. You'll see airlines, schedules, and up-to-the-minute fares, just like a regular search engine, but without leaving the site. The big advantage is having everything in one place. Layla also has a powerful flight and price prediction feature. Thanks to AI, it can advise you on the best time to book. For example, it'll tell you if prices might rise soon. It also says, book soon for the best deal, or if seats are plentiful, prices might drop, so wait a bit. These insights help you make smart, money-saving choices, which used to require lots of research. Your wallet will thank you. Once you've found your ideal flight, booking is a breeze. Just tap your choice and Layla will guide you through booking with a trusted provider. And here, as you can see, we could book the flight right now through Skyscanner, for instance. Rest easy, you'll pay the same as booking directly with the airline, no extra fees. Your entire trip is managed quickly and safely from start to finish, all within Layla. Now let's talk about accommodation. Similarly, you can ask, show me 4-star hotels in New York under €150 per night. Layla instantly searches via booking.com, listing hotels that fit your criteria with current photos, location, and prices. Rates shown are live, no outdated prices, and you'll see alerts if an offer is ending soon. Layla highlights special discounts. In fact, Layla Prime members sometimes get deals up to 60% off at certain hotels. Imagine saving over half just by using your travel assistant. You can refine your search with preferences like find a boutique hotel with free Wi-Fi near downtown. The AI will instantly apply these filters intelligently. Layla gets your preferences. If you always pick spa hotels, she'll remember and prioritize them in future suggestions. Booking your ideal hotel is a breeze. Just select in Layla and book in a few clicks. All saved in your itinerary, Layla organizes bookings, flights, hotels, etc. in an interactive timeline. Confirmations, times, and addresses are handy when needed, no email searching required. What to do at each stop? Layla's got that covered too. Your itinerary shows activity ideas for each place, sites, museums, food tours, or outdoor fun. All with current prices and availability, as Layla links with top providers like Get Your Guide for tours. Discover and book activities for your trip all in one place. Want a bike tour, show tickets, or a day trip? Just ask Layla in chat for options with details, costs, and times. Plan everything you want to do, ensuring you don't miss out. If needed, Layla can add ground transportation to your trip. Need a car for more freedom? AI finds rental options from local and global agencies with live prices. Compare cars, rates, and terms, adding the best fit for your plans. Rather not drive? Layla can book private transfers like airport to hotel service. Everything seamlessly fits into your travel plan, so you know how to get around from the moment you land. Whether it's a multi-city road trip or just a one-time transfer, Layla incorporates it all into your optimized itinerary. Plus, we can explore our itinerary on an interactive map with videos. Once Layla has built your itinerary with destinations, lodging, and activities, we can view the entire interactive map online. The map view shows all destinations and points of interest, with lines connecting each stop in order. At a glance, you see your whole adventure route, helping you gauge distances and understand the journey better. The map is also very dynamic. You can zoom in to find nearby attractions from landmarks and parks to highly rated restaurants. If you've got spare time in a city, the map will show nearby spots you can add with just a click. The coolest part? Layla puts travel creators' videos right on the map. What does that mean? I can tap a spot on the map to see a quick clip, reel, or drone shot of the area made by real travelers. It's genuine content tied to planning, letting you see the place yourself as you organize. This makes planning more immersive and fun. You can even tweak your visit order right on the map if you need to change your route. Just drag and drop spots, and it instantly recalculates to save time. Basically, this interactive map makes planning visual, letting you explore like it's a live map game. And finally, share your plan. With your perfect trip set up, you can now easily save and share it. Layla lets you export your itinerary to PDF in just a few taps. Save a ready-to-print document with all your trip details, including flights, hotels, activities, schedules, directions, and maps. It's perfect for offline access or sending to travel buddies. You can also share your Layla itinerary link for others to view or copy for a similar trip. In short, your travel plan is easy to carry and share. As you see, planning and booking a full trip with Layla is this simple and comprehensive. In minutes, you go from an idea to a personalized itinerary, packed with experiences and all bookings managed. And it's all through natural conversation, no hassle. Forget opening countless websites. Layla's AI does the heavy lifting. You just enjoy. Why not try it for your next adventure? We hope this tutorial was helpful. Planning trips is now a breeze. So chat with Layla and bring your dream journey to life. Happy travels.